Knife Ninja, you know, say you need to move in silence. When you get that donation money, all you have to do is just go downtown and buy one 25 pound of rice, buy one 20 pound of chicken parts, buy one 20 pound of chicken bar. Do you know that you can cook out of that for 2 times for the week? You have to do that, Knife Ninja. You don't need for every time you're going to like buy stuff for the homeless people to feed them. Because when I look into your behavior, you're talking about basmati rice, jasmine rice. You know, so since me come to Canada, me start eat basmati rice. Because when me living in Jamaica and I fall on hard times, having 2 kids at that time. One of the time I find myself, I go over the church, you know, and I study the food, you know, guys. Even some rice, it look broke up. And me cook it same way for me and me 2 picnic them. So when you go shop Knife Ninja, please go downtown. You can buy 1 pound of tomato. You can buy 1 pound of onion. You can buy things like that. Buy some quenchade, because if you can't afford to buy a case of water, buy some quenchade. Buy 1 6-pack of quenchade or 1 12-pack of quenchade. Buy 1 5 pound of sugar. You have to. That's the next time you're going back downtown. You can make some more juice. Freeze, make ice. Just put 1 pot of whatever bag, some 2 big bag, 5 pound bag full of water. Make some ice. Instead of say, yes, I'm going to buy party ice. You have to spend wise in a Knife Ninja. And a matter of fact, when you're going to shop for the homeless people, you should bring your wife with you. Because we women know how to stretch that money. Just like how Dada British say, buy in bulk. Nana said the same thing. Empress and Jamrock said the same thing. Buy in bulk. That's enough for your boss. And I say, my God, I went downtown and I make promise to the people then. You need to buy in bulk 25 pound of rice. You buy 1 20 pound of rice. You buy 1 5 pound of sugar, because people are afraid of sweets. Because people are afraid of sweets. To be diabetic right now. So you have to use a head, Knife Ninja. Move in silent. You go now, you buy 1 little, you buy 2 little Irish, you buy this. That is not the way you buy. If you're going to feed those people. The other day, Color Smith came out and said, yes, somebody sent him $100 and he went and he get some patties and he get some patty and pizza. But me not like to see Color Smith come out and cook some food. Yes, man, Color not like to see you come out and cook some food. So anyway, Color Smith said Monday, I fee him there. Today, I fee your Knife Ninja Friday. Say, I love to see how you and Color Smith TV is sharing the downtown. Yeah, man, downtown is a big place. And see your Color Smith show we last night there, Pani community guideline. Yeah, man. So, yes. We get $700 to feed those people. Color Smith can't feed all of the people that will tell five times, you know. Because I know so Color Smith will buy 1 bag of rice. Buy 1 bag of this. Buy 1 bag of that. Buy a good amount of chicken and just stash with that. That is all the way you must shop Knife Ninja. And I don't care who want to come out and say you're pocketing money. I'm not into that, allegedly. But you have to shop more better. Because I remember one time, you know, guys, when I was like a teenager, and I heard my aunt said she cooked 1 chicken 4 times. At that time, she was living in England and she was filing for her kids back home in Jamaica. So, yes, Knife Ninja, you have to make things stretch. This week you can cook little brown stew chicken with little pumpkin rice. You don't need no peanut rice. Because when I talk about peanut rice now, it's like you're competing with Color Smith TV. You don't need to compete with Color Smith TV. Color Smith TV can push you in your pocket and money come out to feed those people downtown, because you have been doing it for quite a while. So you have to use your head, Knife Ninja. Do not come and talk about no jasmine rice and no basmati rice. If people then will eat normal rice, once from the pot is cooked well, pot seasoned and everything, cook a little seasoned rice with a little brown stew chicken. But do not go downtown and I promise them anything. Because last time you tell them, say, you will carry veggie chunks. And when we see the video now, Yeah, buy chicken, and yeah, buy, you say you want to cook some rice and peas. So do not go downtown, Knife Ninja. You're turning yourself into a fool. Yes, me I tell you. And go downtown and asking them what them want. Don't do it. Because we are the reactors coming back and bashing you. Don't go down there and tell them about no jasmine, but no jasmine rice and then sitting there. Don't promise somebody that is sitting there. I know veggie chunks. Sorry guys, veggie chunks. Do not go down there and tell them say next time you visit that you'll give them. Because sometimes when the donor send our money, sometimes the money is so markaka. Everything in Jamaica is very pricey. Because when I watch content creators in Jamaica, I'm saying to myself, Lord have mercy, that's what things expensive. Because the last time I saw a color smith, I said one planting for $150. And I said, Lord have mercy, things really get expensive. Because in Jamaica at that time, 9 years ago, I could get a planting for $30 or $20 in Jamaica. Yeah, in 2017. See, I'm 9 years now. So when I see Color Smith cut planting and I said one finger for 150, I said, Lord have mercy. That's why I love to watch Jamaican content creator, because it have, yeah man, by watching you guys, I realized that Jamaica is very pricey. So Knife Ninja, you have to buy in bulk, man. Nana Bridgie say it, Nana say it, and me. Buy in bulk. That's when nobody don't donate no money to you. You can't live up to what? You can't live up to your expectations. Because you see you want the downtown spotlight. So you have to spend. Just shopping in bulk. I don't promise nobody anything. I tell them, say, I'll bring this and bring that. Because you just look stupid. You just look stupid. I don't know if you want, if you just talk about you and you're automatically in the algorithm. You have to act sensible, man. Go downtown and buy 1 3 pound of carrot, 1 pound of skillet. See you shop Knife Ninja. You can't go downtown today or Friday. Go downtown and get things cheap. Especially in the evenings, guys. Because my mom was a higgler. That's why I have that experience. Yes, man. So Knife Ninja, just carry wifey, man. Just carry wifey and make your wifey do shop. I'm buying bulk, man. You're frightened if you see you can't feed those people 3 times. Each time you can cook say, you buy 25 pound of rice. You can cook 12 pound of rice. And that time cook 12 pound of rice. Yes, man. You can take out a loan too. And we don't get that donation money to feed the people. They can't use it and pay back the loan. Yes, guys. So Knife Ninja need to think. I need to think. Because yesterday I was watching a video and I don't like how the way you shop. Because you end up you spend more. Yeah, man, I know you spend more. So you have to spend wise. Because it's not every time people from overseas is going to say, yes, I'm going to send some money to Knife Ninja to cook for those homeless people. No. You have to think out of the box. You have to get creative. You say you want the spotlight downtown and you're passionate about the people. Them say you have to think passionate too, man. You have to think also passionate. Yes, guys. If I was in Knife Ninja, sure, that is the way Empress from Jamrock will something there. Spend the money, yes. Because before my kids even come here and me, and yes, man, I plant up some little stuff at the back of the house. That's when my husband send her money for 2 weeks. 2 weeks take care of bills and everything. I have to be thinking out of the box. So anyway, guys, just thanks for listening. Just have a wonderful weekend. Bye.